In this section, we're going to cover introduction. If you are familiar with the computer basic introduction, you can skip this topic. The agenda is: what is a computer, what is a programming language, what is an algorithm, and basic Java introduction. So what is a computer? According to Internet Dictionary, an electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form, according to instruction given to it in a variable program. So in abstract terms, computer is an electronic device. You will put some data into that, like a C, C++, Java. The computer will understand it's in the format of binary formats, ones and zeros, and it stores that instruction and it processes it. So you can think like a computer programming language is an abstract medium for you to give instructions. What is a programming language? A programming language is formally constructed language designed to communicate instructions to a machine, particularly a computer. The coded language used by programmers to write instructions that a computer can understand to do what the programmer. So different type of programming languages are like C, C++, Java, Python, Pascal. So in a simple term, programming language is like it is a grammatical and syntactic language. You can give as an instructions to computer, so the computer will execute that instruction and it will give you that result. So what is an algorithm? Before stepping into programming, you need certain flowchart or design. So similar way, algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step operations which you wanted to perform in a programmatic way. So for example, if you would like to compute sum of two numbers, on the right side, you can see it's a programming. But before writing this program, either in your mind or on the book, you can write it certain steps. Like we're going to declare two numbers and we will declare another variable, which is a sum. Then we take the two number values, read the two values and do the summation, process operation, and store that result into sum. And the last statement, display sum, and then stop. So algorithm basically a theoretical representation, program is a practical representation. What is Java? And nobody will ask you in your interview, don't worry. Little bit history about Java. 3 engineers, they created Java as a project in initial term in June 1991. So they created the tool for to operate in set-top box in a TV. So what it does is like it's similar to our smart TV nowadays. So they wanted to design a smart TV. So that's why they created a project which is a Java. At the time, that project got rejected, but they realized the features of that project, which is very important in next level. So they converted that tool into a programming language and they made it as programming language. That's what history about Java. So when they designed this Java programming or Java tool, at the time, more developers are used to adopt C and C++ syntax. And C and C++ syntax is a more towards human readable format. So that's why they followed the same syntax format.